Okay, I suppose we can start right now. So today I will tell you about the creative use cases of using investment platform, copy trading, PAM, MEM, whatever. It doesn't matter a lot. And about business models you can implement with it. So there are 5 main topics for today's webinar. I can extend it more if this video will be popular. So the first one about funded accounts program. The second one about advanced risk management opportunities for you as a brokerage company, how you can manage your risks. The third one, how to create, how to offer portfolios from existing traders of your company. And as I continue for the previous topic, how to create advanced leaderboard with hundreds of traders just from several strategies, what you need to do. And the last one, how you can increase attractiveness of your partnership programs and beat your competitors in this field. So how much participants we have? 16 already. Okay, and guys, you always can write me messages in chat. You're always welcome. So after each topic, I will stop for a minute just to wait for your questions, and we will be making more like discussion, not like a lecture, but I'd prefer to make it like a dialogue between you and me. So let's start with funded accounts program. Basically, there are 2 main players in this field, and they are super popular. It's Top Step Trader and FTMO. I have their websites here. Just a second, I will switch to Safari. So 2 main players in this field, FTMO and Top Step Trader. Basically, what these guys do, they are making the following. They offer a demo account to their clients for the monthly subscription. It's usually from $130 up to $1,000. They have strict rules. So these traders must achieve some profit target. Don't lose more than a particular amount, like $1,000 or so per 1 day and per week. If they follow these rules and reach the profit target, then they get a funded account with, depending on the monthly price, it's around from $2,000 to $10,000, and with up to 90% of profit split. So it looks like this: $200 buying power, it's 2 lots in the basic words, $165 monthly price, profit target $3,000, weekly loss limit, and account loss limit. If participant passes this, then he gets the account with $2,000 of loss limit. Basically, it's very easy to implement it with our platform and to benefit from it. It can be not your main product, yeah, but it can be additional product for those traders who are struggling with earning money or just making big deposits. So what you need to do? First of all, you have a form on your website just to register as a participant in this trading, not competition, yeah, but the trading challenge. Then you create a master account for these guys and set a daily risk limit for this account. For example, it can be 5%, or by the end of this year, we will implement it also like an amount, for example, $1,000. Then you click Save and OK. Now, this guy cannot lose more than a particular amount of money. If he reaches a profit target in 2 weeks, for example, then and passes the second step of challenge, then you can cover the risks for this account on your cover account. So you create a separate account, which is a book account, and you send all trades from this account to liquidity providers, and you start copying trades one-to-one to this cover account. This will be for the trader's payout. You don't need to hold a lot of money on this account just for one particular trader, one-to-one, because he doesn't have a lot of risk capital. So if you have a funded trader, you can just put there $2,000 and that's it. That will be enough. So you can create account with $100,000 and cover all trades from 50 for 60 traders on one single account. But on other hand, what is more important, you can create the second company's account and also copy trades to it. So you will have one account to cover trades which this trader do and to cover his traders payouts. Yes, this 90%. But on other account, you can create, you can copy trade and benefit from good strategies your clients have. Guys, do you have any questions, thoughts about it? By the way, the secret is not only just in how you just use the copy trading system here, but what is also important. I was a client of Top Step Trader approximately maybe 10 years ago, and the most important thing there for me was not only just opportunity to trade on not to just risk with 5K or 10K dollars, but with just a small amount of money here, but also that they were making a community of traders. They were making community of those people who want to achieve some goals. And this funded traders program, it's super cool in terms of you as a trader, if you don't have hundred thousands of dollars, yeah, you cannot earn a lot of money for living. I mean, like trading will not replace your main job, but with these funded programs, funded accounts programs, you can start with just only $200 per month. If you reach it, then you will be provided with funded account with which buying power will exceed from time to time when you will reach further profit targets. So it gives some future. So it gives community and gives future vision of future. And you as a brokerage company can even extend it to the next level. So you have these funded traders. You create master accounts from them and put them to leaderboard. And those clients who cannot earn money on their own, who don't want to be traders, they just start investing in these accounts. And you can put there either this guy alone or you can create a portfolios from different traders. So you offer like a synthetic instrument to your clients who will be investing money. It will look like this. Just a second. The idea of portfolio is the following. Each particular master can have a big volatility of his account. Yes, of course. I mean, like when you have deal with these funded accounts programs, you have daily risk limits on each account. But anyways, each account separately, each strategy has a big volatility. But when you combine a lot of them, the volatility of portfolio becomes smaller. And when you combine a lot of strategies together, it will be like plus minus 1%. It will be super convenient for all investors to join it because it's very smooth. When somebody makes plus 10%, another makes minus 3%, and etc., it gets smoother. No big volatility, no big deviations from zero. So it's very good. It's super comfortable for investors. It's super safe because even if somebody will lose, will reach his risk limit, it will not just make minus 10% for account. It will just make -1 or -2. So it's super convenient for investors, super attractive for investors. And on other hand, it's free for you because your traders are joining funded accounts programs. So you fund them, and you can use their trades for offering such products to your investors. Or you can make it even more attractive for funded guys by placing their accounts inside of the leaderboard. So they can not only benefit from the money you give to them, but also from tens of or hundreds of $1,000s of investors' money. So combination with of business model of FTMO or top step trader of funded accounts programs plus copy trading can give you opportunity to beat these guys because they don't have it. They have only funded account programs. They don't have copy trading behind. So either they don't earn enough as a company when you offer synthetic products to your investors, or you don't make it so attractive for clients who are going through these challenges, trading challenges. I will check a chat. Guys, if you're still here, if you can hear me, just make a plus because I need some feedback from you. Okay, okay. More pluses, more pluses. So, okay, we can move forward. I will get back here. Advanced risk management. One of my favorite topics because we discovered it maybe only just this year. We started showing this opportunity to the clients how to use our platform to make some stuff which is very original. So basically, when it comes to risk management inside of MetaTrader 4 or 5, you always have two opportunities, A book or B book. You either can put an account with all his money and all his trades to A book and send everything to liquidity provider, or you need to make it B book and take all the risk this account provides. You don't have any other choice. So this means that, for example, if client with hundreds of dollars or $5,000 comes to you, to a small new brokerage company, it's okay to put him in B-book and take these risks to you. But if a client with $100,000 comes to you, then you don't want to take this risk, this risk, and you have to put his on B-book, on a A-book, and fully cover him. But you don't have any third choice. I mean, like you don't have, without investment platform, you just cannot benefit even from part of the risk you can take with this big account. But if you combine idea of risk management plus the investment platform, you can create the following scheme. You place the big account in a B book, but you start copying trades to a cover account with, for example, 0.5 multiplier. So he has 25K, you want to cover 50% of his trades. So you make a multiplier 0.5, and that means that half of volume will be going to liquidity providers, and half of volume will be at your risk. So you can benefit from it. So that means that even if you have big enough accounts that comes to you, you can partially cover their trades with copy trading system. It shouldn't be like public leaderboards, whatever. No, you just can use it like in a hidden way, just from admin side. Nobody except you as an administrator of this platform will never know that you are just making it. It's super good. Questions, suggestions? Nothing. George, I suppose you can call it C-book. Yeah. It's partial covering, yeah. It's just impossible to do within MetaTrader alone, but with copy trading, it's very easy to do. And it's very easy to manage these volumes, ratios, instruments, how you do it. Okay. So portfolios we covered just a few minutes ago, so I will skip this part of presentation. The next thing, hidden masters. When you launch the copy trading inside of your company, just a second. If it's a new product for you, you're always struggling with one thing. When you go to leaderboard, it doesn't look like this. You don't have a lot of good traders. You usually have no statistics, no traders, nothing. So with our platform, you can create the following. You can take your real clients, create a master accounts from them, and either put them here to a leaderboard without let them knowing about it. You can offer them to join a leaderboard, and if you're using the same account login, statistics will be generated automatically based on their trading history. But you also can do the following. You can combine several existing traders into one account. They will never know that you just copied their trades. But you can combine their trades, their signals into one stream and put them to leaderboard. So it will be like portfolios from existing clients, not from very good clients. You can just use different approaches for combinations. And here we comes to the next topic, how to create hundreds of masters, for example, just from 10 strategies. You even don't need to have 10 strategies. You can just take, I don't know, 7. It will be enough to create a lot of strategies. So how you do it? Basically, you have, for example, 4 strategies, and then you can create 4 master accounts for leaderboard. Need like direct followers. These guys could never know that you are doing it. So you just create new accounts, put them to leaderboard. Then another 4 you can create from reverse mode. Then you can create a cross strategies, like first level when we combine just only 2 strategies into one account, and we can create multi combinations. But take a look here. Here is the funny mathematics. When you combine strategies from 4 accounts, it looks like this. But when we add a 5, here magic happens. So if we combine direct following, reverse following from 5 strategies, you can reach 100 even from 5 different strategies, different accounts by copying them in a direct mode or in reverse mode. And it's pretty much easy to do. You just go here, click create new, create account from existing account, and hide him from leaderboard. He will never know that you are doing it. But then you create another master, and this master, let's call it public. So it will be connected to your user record inside of the MetaTrader. So I click create public master. Sorry. Okay. Mm, It seems like, sorry, this account was deleted. Okay. Let me use another one. So we will find out what is happening with settings of platform of this another demo environment later, but this one will work definitely. So we create a public account here. We create. So account was created, and then we just subscribe. Use this account not as a master, which will be his main role inside of the leaderboard. We use it as a subscriber. So this account will be subscriber for one strategist and will be master for the followers inside of the leaderboard. So we just click here, we create new, and fill here a login of accounts we previously used as a hidden masters. And then just click create. And we even can choose allocation method, how we want to copy it. Basically, when it comes to creation of portfolios like this one, when we copy strategies from several traders at once, it's preferably to make it a bit bigger than each of these accounts and copy positions not proportionally by equity, but like with ratio multiplier mode. So when it is set like 1, it means that same volume as master opens on his account will be opened on this investment account. So if you want to copy exact amount, then you need to use ratio multiplier and set it like 1 or 2 or 0.5, depending on the risk of a strategy. And of course, if you want to copy it in a reverse mode, when master makes buy, investor gets sell, and vice versa, you can use a reverse signal mode. One of our not existing clients, but past clients, he was using our platform basically for even not C-book like we discussed here on a previous slide. He used the copy trading system just for try and get more benefit from the his B-book, because he wasn't a cheater. I mean, like, it was just purely fair company, but his 100% of his traders, they were losing money just because of the market movements. So he decided not only put them to B-book, but he also wanted to benefit from their trades. So he created some sort of cover account, big one, and he created 60 masters from his retail clients. And he started copying their trades in a reverse mode to his Discover account, like I do right now. So it was very funny to see, but his account was growing a bit. Yeah, I mean, like, it wasn't like opposite return from the retail clients, but still it was growing, and he had pretty much big flow of trades. Trades were opening like once in a 2-3 minutes, every 2-3 minutes, new opening, new closing, new opening, new closing. So you also can just like maybe make some research in this field of opportunities if you already have this tool, investment platform, or you are thinking to buy it. Okay, time to questions. Do you have anything about creation of portfolios from how to create not only portfolio, how to create a lot of traders just from 5 strategies. While I'm waiting for your replies, I can say you the following. I'm not sure you know it or not, but we can generate these statistics from several sources. First of all, of course, we can do it from trading statistics of accounts inside of MetaTrader. So if you create the master account from existing account, these statistics will be generated on the fly. You don't need to do anything. Just literally 10 seconds and see it, it's inside. On the other hand, what we can do, we can generate it from expert advisors strategy reports, strategy tester reports from MT4 or MT5. So if your clients are willing to create a master account based on some EAs, they can send to you this strategy report, and you will be able to generate this kind of statistics also just in a few minutes. So you can create a leaderboard full of traders just in a few days. You don't need to wait half of year, 2 years until you will have the statistics. You can do it pretty much fast. Okay, I will open the chat, and if we have nothing here, I will go further. Okay, guys, no questions yet. So probably we have the last topic to be covered. And this topic is how to add additional value for partnership programs. Basically, when it comes to IBs, usually introducing brokers get just their rebates just from the spread or from commissions. For example, $1 per lot or 20% from spread, something like that. And this is the main and the only source of income in most of partnership programs. But with our platform, you can offer your IBs even more. And this will help you to just beat your competition because they just offering only spreads and commissions. So you can offer the following. If they attract investors, these investors, if they benefit, they are paying fees to money managers. Maybe it's 20% from profit, or it's like $2 per lot, whatever. So IB can get a percentage from the fees of investor. And it's very easy to set. Basically, if you are using our Beta Core, our traders room, it's already inside of it. I mean, like you need to make only just first settings for partnership programs, and it can work as a single level or multi-level partnership programs with sharing fees. But if you have your own CRM and you don't want to make any integration, you can go to admin panel and set it like personally for each account. It's very easy. You go here and you add here the login of account of IB. And for example, you want to share with him 30% of fees. So you put here login, you put here fee, percentage of sharing of fees, and click save. And that's it. Then next time, this account will pay some fees to a money manager. 30% of these fees will go to introducing broker. So now they can benefit not only spreads and commissions and rebates from you as a brokerage company, but you also can offer them more. You can offer them sharing fees, which investors are paying to money managers. By the way, that can be a very big amounts from big accounts attracted. It's not always $20. It could be thousands. Guys, do you have questions? Anything you want to ask me? Maybe behind this presentation, because we came to end, but we can talk about different topics, not only about the topics I've covered just before, but we can just talk about anything else you're interested in. I'm waiting your questions here in chat. If I will not see any questions, then we can just finish our presentation. By the way, here is my personal email. If you will have any further questions, maybe after the webinar, you always can message me. Let's make some fun in chat. If you don't have questions, press minus. So I know that I don't need to wait for your reply. Minus Artem, okay. Minus Georgi. Alexandros, I see your hand. I saw your hand, or it was like high five and bye bye. If you wanted to say something, you're very welcome. Nope. So guys, if you don't have any questions, then thank you very much for your time and see you on the next webinar. Bye-bye.